G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. We are going to look at text effects today and the use of drop shadows and other various bits and pieces. So let's get straight into it. Let's go over to text, add a heading, and we're going to do snow. So this is a text effect that someone has asked me to do a tutorial on. So happy to do so for my YouTube channel. So we just place that in the center there, and we're going to change the text to, let's have a look, I think we'll choose this one here. Okay, and we will then come over to elements, and we're going to place a shape behind the word. Alright, this allows us to isolate out the word and change the font color and create a transparent type text. So we'll send that to back and we'll change that to yellow down here, and we'll change the font color to white. Okay, so basically what we're going to do now is download this and we'll remove the background, and that will allow us to then place an image behind this and create the effect that we're after. So we'll come up to here, go to download, choose the page that you want to download. That will download to the file location. We'll call that snow. Go save under the right location. Okay, and for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to keep the slides. Now we need to upload it, so we'll click on uploads here. We'll click on upload file, and when that has downloaded, it should appear there. I'll just go back one. Okay, scroll down again. Snow shadow, click on that. Sometimes that happens. If it does, just go back in your folder structure and then go to the right folder structure and you'll locate your image. So click on that, bring it out to the corners. What we want to do here is just bring it down so it doesn't become the background. Click on edit photo. Alright, edit photo, sorry, background remover. That will remove this background. That will then allow us, just crop that in, to add a image behind the text. What we want to do first though is make sure it's highlighted. Come over here to shadows. Now you can muck around with the settings on this, but I'm just pretty much going to leave it as is for the purposes of this tutorial. You can muck around with the size, the blur, angle, all that sort of stuff. Alright, so come back over here to elements. Then you want to download or go search for your photo. I've chosen this one before, so I'm just going to use the same one. Click on that, it'll bring it into the image, expand it out, bring it inside the frame. Okay, and then you want to send that to back. So go to layers and send back or backwards. For this one, we'll just send backwards. Alright, and as you can see there, it's got the shadow effect or the drop shadow effect around there, and it's also got it around the frame. So we don't want it to appear around the frame. So what we'll do there is come over to elements. We'll choose the element shape square. Alright, square's just easier to put in there and drag out and adjust. So you want to just bring that in and around the frame that we've got there. Minimize that up, bring that there, duplicate, and bring that there. So now you can see that it's pretty much just, it's really just isolated to the word. Alright, so we want to download that again. Go download. Make sure you choose the page. Okay, you can either save over the previous one or create a new one. We'll create a new one. Okay, then create another page. Now, what I did is just create or set this image as the background and upload your downloaded file. Okay, so once that's uploaded, just click on that. That'll bring it in. Expand that out. Okay, drag it in, crop it around the word a bit closer. Then come up here to edit photo. Go to background remover. Okay, and that will create the snow word. And as you can see, it's sort of lining up with the trunk. Okay, now what you can do here is come to shadow, and again, just do a drop shadow, and that will create a drop shadow around the word. And there you have it, a text effect with or transparent text effect with an image and a drop shadow. Now there's many other ways that you can do this. I've got another tutorial about creating shadows, so feel free to have a look on my YouTube channel for that one and many others. Really appreciate your time and have a awesome day, and see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and be notified of other tutorials. Thank you very much. Bye for now.